Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you and y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home of the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's been raining and then it gets hot. Raining, then it gets hot. What I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I thought, you know what, Dan, let's do a show enough full raised bed garden update. Give me a second, and that's what we finna do's. All right, you and y'all, let's start out over here by the 16-foot raised beds. And look at her. Well, there's Mr. Sunflower. He's drooping. These are the sunflowers that I planted from seeds, and I actually have one over there. We'll see that one here in a second. Look at all these maters. I'm here to tell you, all this rain, we have gotten some sure enough growth going on. These are the Amanda oranges sent to me from Mr. CB. And I have quite a few big ones on there. They hiding from me. There's one right there, but them jokers are looking good. Fucos are putting on, I mean, sure enough, maters everywhere. And I'm sure enough looking forward to a good mater harvest this year. Here are the purple heart maters. They're growing pretty good. Got clusters of them everywhere. I mean, just huge clusters of them. There's that other big old sunflower right there. That joker's got to be every bit of 14, 15 foot tall. And there's that cousin right there in the middle. He's looking pretty good too. He's growing. So as far as the maters, I am just stupid happy on how the maters are growing over here in these 16-foot raised bed in the 16-foot raised bed with the cattle panel set up. Just really happy how they're growing. Last year, not much success with maters, but this year I'm here to tell you they are growing. All right, let me update you on the three sisters. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna sure enough say I listen to y'all when y'all drop some comments down. Yeah, look, I'm here to tell you I went ahead and started me some more corn, the first sister, by seed inside the grow room. And I put these little plastic solo cups, the clear plastic solo cups, around the corns as they're growing. And I'm here to tell you, I've had not one, well, I might have had one or two that the birds got after, but look at her. Put me old fake snake in this bed right here, and I'm telling you, the birds sure enough don't come around. And what I do is every couple of days, I move Mr. Snake. Cash, get over here. Boy, what's the matter with you? Get over here. Willie, Willie. I chased after somebody riding a bike. Boy, I tell you what. Anyways, I moved that old snake around. Yesterday, a couple of days ago, he was over here. Moved him there. I probably moved him here, and then I moved him there. Sure enough, you're gonna get tactical on them birds. They see that snake move around, they ain't gonna come over here in my 16-foot raised beds and try to eat my corn. Okie dokie. Maters looking good. The sister, one of the sisters is finally starting to grow. Happy about that. Gonna wait till this corn gets about knee high, and then we're gonna start working on the second sister. Let me show you, I started some shade cukes again this year. We're gonna go take a look at that. And then we're gonna move over there to the north side of the 40. There is my shade cukes. Looking mighty righteous, I must say. And these are dragon egg cukes that my brother, the sapper gardener, sent me. Starting to get some blooms on it already. And have it in the same container that I did last year. Making sure that I water this guy. And about every once a week or so, I'll hit it with some Miracle Grow Mater food just to keep it happy. But it's growing. Got the lines, the metal lines set out in place. We're gonna show enough see if we can get some dragon egg cubes going. Let's go on over to the other side of 40. Okie dokie. First thing I'm gonna say is these old wild yellow cherry maters are sure enough growing. And I have fruit sets all over the place. These jokers are growing like wildfire as well. Kind of bushy in there, but they growing. and they're getting tall too. I might have to top these maters off. Jerusalem artichoke still growing. I don't know exactly, I don't know how tall they're supposed to get. I hear they get really tall, but they're still growing in green, and I'm liking that. Peppers are still doing really well. With all the rain, it's just, the rain is just really making everything explode in growth. There is all of my Malabar spinach on the ground that's self-seeded. I'm not doing anything with it, I'm just letting it grow because I've just been picking it and eating it because, yeah, it's some good stuff. Over here now is my international picklers. What you think about that? Them jokers sure enough growing. They done latched on to this cattle panel, and hopefully they're gonna get their grow on all the way around. Peppers doing really well, and they're growing. Have a lot of peppers that are starting to set. I have a lot of these chili reds that are starting to put on peppers. Here are the lemon drops. Look there, got some old pretty lemon drop peppers coming on. Got quite a few. Boy, I tell you what, and they hard to see too. Hopefully these, the poblanos and the tabascos will start setting fruit. And I'll be looking forward to that because I really want to make some fermented hot sauce this year. Other sunflowers that I put in a container. I love container gardening. I don't know if it's wise to put 3 sunflowers in a container, but hey, we'll just try it. Here's my roost out taters. They have already started to flower, and probably in the next week or so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these guys just to see what I have. And then, sure enough, gonna do a little review on the roost out method of growing in a raised bed. I'm just gonna let y'all know what I think on that. Look at them blackberries. Ooh-wee. Yes, Lord. Y'all need to hurry up and turn black so I could pick y'all off and eat you one at a time. Here are my other taters. These are the baby Dutch taters, and these jokers have been in this container probably for about a little over 3 months now. Strange thing is I have not seen these taters flower yet. Maybe they have flowered and I just never noticed it. So same thing with these guys. I'm gonna give it another week or so, and we're gonna harvest these guys and see what we get out of the baby Dutches. So there you have it, y'all. Just a little raised bed garden update. I move around sometimes in the videos and I just show you and y'all certain parts of the garden, but this is just a full update of sorts. I want to show you how everything's growing. Quite pleased with how everything is growing, I'm here to tell you. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Tuesday, and I hope y'all having a really safe Tuesday. If it's hot where you at, try to stay cool. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.